guys, my name is Angie. I'm here again to share my thing or a recipe. Another recipe is a fried rice sinigang in Tagalog. So I show you here the way I cooking my very own. So let's get started to do the things, and I show you first my ingredients, guys. And really, this is my fried rice is so delicious, yummy. Marami ang gusto magkain ng gawain ko na siningan. Here my ingredients, guys. We have the spring onions to garnish, carrots, prawn, eggs, fish cake, onions, brown rice, and later we add some garlic bits. So let's get started, guys. I started cooking the ingredients of my sinigang or fried rice. I cook first the carrots, prawns, eggs. Eggs you must cook first, cut into small pieces, and everything set aside, and then do the proper cooking. So now I'm hitting the egg. Ito na, guys, umpisa na natin. Una, next until the aroma or aromatic onions come out, and time to add the rice. I'm using brown rice, guys. We add now the ingredients. And then the prawns. But the sauce here is take away, don't add with it. Then okay. Later I add the eggs, guys. Then we add the eggs. Then add seasoning, white pepper. I like also peppery. So this is, guys, my garlic bits. I cook fresh. Everything, my ingredients is fresh, guys. No frozen one. So it seems healthy also, my fried rice. So let's taste first. Still inside the gas to still cooking. So wanna try, guys. How is it? Mmm. Mmm. Sarap. It's tasty, guys. Flavorful. Oh, sarap. Yummy. And then that is, guys, I'm still making a fare for this fried rice. I make a soup with this one. And then I show you also that soup I'm cooking here. So they are really a combination, fried rice and that soup. So next gagawin natin ay yung sinabi ko na soup, guys. So gagawa tayo ng soup na tom yum soup. It's soup from Thailand. So here we go, my ingredients, guys. I show you. We have this one prawns, this one oyster mushroom, straw mushroom. We have other kind of mushroom. This one tomatoes, and we have the lemon leaves and the galanggang or lemon grass. And we have this one, the ginger or galanggang ginger, and I have this one. This is I use for tom yum sauce, a powder. Then add this one. This one is substitute if you lemon if you don't have this lime green. Can make a sour. This one is really perfect combination with the fried rice, guys. And this is other thing ingredients. Mine is this ball mix with chili and no chili, guys. I'm using powder, guys. If you want to use this one, then also a cubes for this tom yum. Then use also that one, guys. But today I tried this powder. How is it the spiciness? Thai food, my favorite also to eat or to make. They are so, yeah, spicy, but really I like it. Love it. Spicy thing. So let's continue do the soup, guys. So, time to pour in this one, guys, because the water is boiling already. It's boiling already, so can add thing. Add tomatoes. Later the prawns and this one, because anyway these two things is also it's so fast to cook and I don't want to become hardly this ball and the prawns become dry up. Let's check, guys. Boiling. Wow. Ooh, you see the smoke. Hmm. Very bang siya. Grabe. Let's give it a taste. Sarap. Spicy, but not so spicy. Then later on, I add this one. This is the last to add, guys. The juice, this one. Lemon. This, this is now, guys, my tom yum soup. It's ready to serve. Oh, ready. Let's go. Keep thumbs up, guys. There you guys. This is my fried rice now, guys. You see, I garnish with the spring onion, and we have the soup here. This is now the tom yum sauce, like this, guys. So let it taste, guys. Usually, let's start with the soup because this is the one my favorite also. Wow, mega masarap, yummy. Yeah, it's spicy. Then I add some a bit sugar to make the sweetness. Blend the sour spiciness. Masarap talaga siya, guys. So give thumbs up. And about the fried rice is very crispy rice. Masarap siya. Tapos flavorful. Tapos with this soup is a combination, guys. So thumbs up. You must try to this food. Really perfect combination. Fried rice and this tom yum soup, guys. So okay, I hope you like my video today, guys. I share to you, and next time I share you another food blog or whatever. And if you wanna try the recipe, I just write down the description box and just check it out there. Fried rice recipe and the tom yum recipe. All my ingredients is fresh one. We don't need use the frozen one. So hope you guys give thumbs up to this recipe. Please comment down below so that I can do more videos and to answer your comment, whatever. And please subscribe, and I'm very thanking you guys to support my this channel. And please subscribe those who haven't subscribed for my this channel. Okay, see you next time, guys. Bye.